All right, here's a nice little off-road fun toy for the family. It's a 2020 Jeep Unlimited Wrangler Sport, or not necessarily in that order, but that's everything that it is. Pretty cool vehicle. I've got one myself. Actually, this is a 3.6 liter 6-cylinder engine. It has an 8-speed automatic transmission. The Unlimited Sport's kind of like middle of the road. Still got cloth interior. It's got a backup camera. It's got Apple CarPlay with the Uconnect. So it's got Bluetooth. You can hook your phone to it, voice command. But these things are nice. They're not like the Jeeps of the old days, man. These are comfortable. They ride nice. They get pretty decent fuel economy, especially with all that transmission they got in there. That's the key, I guess. But 4-wheel drive. This one's got power windows, power locks, cruise control, all kinds of stuff. Power mirrors. It's got the steering wheel controls, 8-speaker stereo system. This also has the skid plate option, so it's good if you do want to take it off-road. Got a bunch of skid plates to protect everything underneath. Real white's nice. Mine's white too, so white can be dirty and it still looks kind of clean, so you don't have to worry about not like a black one or something. But it's got, you know, black interior. It's got the spare wheel on the back. It's got the backup camera, ice cold air conditioning, a little bit of everything. And I've got the window sticker on this. Tells you all the options it's got. I'm sure I'm leaving some stuff out, but we'll pull up here and let me take some pictures and some more video for you. All right, here's our 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport. Great little Jeep. You know, it's practically a new car. We call it a mall crawler. It was woman owned, locally here in Southern California. Never been off-road. I mean, the thing's like brand new. A lot of these Jeeps are like that. Either they use them and beat them up, or they just kind of cruise around in them because they're cool. They're nice in the rain. It's 4-wheel drive. Nice in the snow if you want to go skiing. But nice, comfortable. They're a lot different than they used to be, like I said earlier. I mean, these Jeeps are very comfortable. They ride nice. They're not too bouncy. Seats are nice and comfortable. This one has a cloth interior. It's got the Jeep rubber floor mat, so you can get in all dirty and not mess up the carpets. But telescopic wheel, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, backup camera, you know, power mirrors, power locks. Pretty much loaded. And these, like mine, I like to take the doors off. Take the doors off, take the top off. If you got a garage to keep it in, just drive it as a summer fun car, you know? Take it up to the cabin, take it out to the beach, or drive it every day to work. Why not? They're good for it. You can use them. This one's got the skid plate package. Not even a nick on them, because, like I said, never been off-road. It's got a really nice set of Michelin tires on there. Those are recently put on. It's got the alloy wheels. Like I said earlier, it's got the Uconnect and you know, Bluetooth, removable hardtop. You can take off just the front portion here, like a sunroof. Pretty cool. But power mirrors, great vehicle, fun to off-road. Also has tow package. So if you got a little jet ski or something you want to bring with you, or a little boat, these will do it. Here's the power plant in the 2020 Jeep Wrangler Sport Unlimited. Yeah, like I mentioned earlier, 3.6 liter, 6-cylinder engine, really durable, plenty of power, more power than they used to have. This one's got like a push button start, which is kind of cool, keyless entry, with alarm, of course. We'll go ahead and fire it up for you here. Just reach on in, keep the key with you. I can put it in the cup holder there. Fire it right up. You know, it's got traction control, hill descent. You know, these Jeeps now, it's like, you don't have to get out. Put it 4-wheel drive on the fly. Really clean engine compartment. Thing's never been in the mud or the dirt, or, you know, you can tell. All the stickers are still on there, not all curled up. It's real quiet, no modifications. So it's nice to get one that hasn't been all beefed up, but you can do it. This one's a open canvas. I mean, you want to put a lift kit, put some bigger wheels on it, whatever you want to do, you can. But right now it's been left alone. Hasn't been beat on, ready to take the reins. Oh, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich, and I'd be happy to show it to you in person if you want to come on out. Thanks for watching.